All right, a stoichiometry problem. We're comparing oxygen gas to octane. So first we need a balanced chemical equation. Here's the balanced chemical equation. A reminder to each of you to review balancing chemical equations prior to the quiz. To compare one chemical to another, it has to be done mole to mole. So we look back into the problem, we see the measured number with the unit, and know that we have to convert octane from grams to moles. We determine the formula weight of octane, and we're going to use that as a conversion factor so that we can get moles. We confirm that we've set this up correctly because grams cancel and we end up with moles of octane. We go back to the statement of the question and we see that we're going to be relating O2 gas to octane. So we're looking at O2 gas with its coefficient and octane with its coefficient. And we set up a mole-to-mole ratio so that we cancel moles octane and we end up with moles of oxygen. Now when we set up our mole-to-mole ratio, we know moles associated with octane have to be in the denominator, so we make sure we carry the correct coefficient that's associated with octane, 2, and in the numerator we have 25 moles of O2. And we see when we cancel this out, we've set this up correctly because moles of octane cancel out. We end up with moles of O2. In this problem, it's asking us for liters of O2 gas at STP. So now that we know the moles of O2, we can use the standard molar volume at STP as a conversion factor. We know that a mole of O2 at STP is equivalent to 22.414 liters. We can confirm that we set up the conversion factor correctly because moles of O2 cancel out, and the unit that remains is liters, which is the unit that we're asked to present our final answer in. We do the math. Again, all the numbers in the top represent multiplication. Those numbers in the bottom represent division. We get this as our final answer. We'll go back and check sig figs. 3 sig figs, 5. This is the exact number, so it doesn't impact sig figs in our answer. 5 sig figs. We're limited to 3 sig figs. So 17.0 liters is our final answer.